Butterflies and doorbells? Ring, ring, the phone chimed. My mother answered with a warm hello. A moment later, she turned to me and said, "It's for you." I took the phone, and a boy's voice I recognized from school greeted me. He was very nice, and I thought he was cute too. He asked if I wanted to go out for dinner with him that night. "Yes," I said, my heart fluttering. He said he would pick me up at 5:30 p.m. Before he arrived, I had to find the perfect outfit. I felt so nervous I couldn't decide what to wear. My sister came to the rescue and picked out a lovely dress for me. I felt a fluttery feeling in my stomach, like tiny butterflies were having a party. My hands felt a little damp too. I put on the dress, and my sister gave me some pretty clips for my hair. Ding dong, the doorbell buzzed. He was here. I hurried to the door to greet him. He told me I looked nice and that we were going to a place called Empty Bellies. When we arrived at Empty Bellies, lively music filled the air. A friendly waitress with a big smile showed us to our table. I ordered a large Caesar salad, and he ordered a steak. When the food arrived, it looked and tasted delicious. After we finished, the waitress asked if we wanted dessert, but we were both too full. My date paid for the meal, even though I had brought money just in case.